Previously, we saw that the while loop terminates when the while test is false. The break statement is another way to terminate a while loop. The break statement is simply the word break. We can put the break statement anywhere inside the while loop body. Here is an example program that contains the break statement. When LWPython encounters the break statement, it exits the rest of the loop body by updating the current tab to the tab number of the while statement. Let's walk through this example. First, Python stores 0 in variables a and c. Python evaluates the while test at line 3, tab 0. Since a is 0, 3 is greater than a is true, and LWPython enters the loop body at line 4, tab 1. Python also records the location of the while statement in the control map. In line 4, tab 1, Python adds 1 to a. Python encounters an if statement at line 5, tab 1. Python evaluates the test c = 1. c is 0, so this test is false. Python is going to skip the if body by keeping the current tab at 1. In line 7, tab 1, Python increases c by 1. The current line is now 8 and the current tab is 1. Python has reached the end of the program. Python is going to jump back to line 3, tab 0. Python now evaluates the test 3 is greater than a again. A is 1, so the test is still true. Thus, Python is going to enter the loop body again. A is again increased by 1. A now contains 2. Python encounters an if statement at line 5, tab 1, and evaluates the test c = 1. C currently contains 1, so this is true. Python enters the if body at line 6, tab 2. Python now executes the break statement. Python is going to decrease the current tab to the while statement tab number, which is 0, and increment the line number to 7. Since the current tab is less than the tab number of the statement at line 7, Python is going to skip line 7. Python has again reached the end of the program. Since the current tab is 0, Python is going to exit the program. At the end of this program, a is 2 and c is 1. Note that line 7, tab 1 is still inside the while loop body because the tab number is greater than the while statement tab, which is 0. Next, let's see how the Python state changes when Python executes the break statement.